hangad ko'y tagumpay natin.
Alright, so we'd like to request everybody to come over here on the stage because we're going to have the last photo opportunity. Magkakaroon tayo ng classroom picture po. Class of 2025.
Hinihikit at hinahangat, hangad ko'y tagumpay natin lahat.
Yeah, you can move to the center. Everybody.
Isang munting pangarap sa
Yeah, you can circle it right here. Come on, everybody.
at sasama-sama natin ang
Marcelo.
pagsisikap. Sama-sama rin nararating ang iba't ibang galaw, isang patutunguhan. Ito isang araw, isang sama-sama natin ang pinagkama tayo kaliwin. Nakalapit, tagumpay, tagumpay ng ating lahi, tagumpay ng ating lipi, ang kaming pinipiti at hinahangat. Hangad ko'y tagumpay natin lahat.
Ma'am Anne Marie Wilson from Pasadena, Maryland for 20 years. And again, we'd like to request everybody, if you were like, if we have. Alright, one of our members of our board right now will be receiving an award, and that's none other than Giovanni G. Tablezo.
Mr. Giovanni teaches science at St. Andrew's School. He lives in Portsmouth, Philadelphia.
Alright, congratulations, Giovanni. So this time we're going to award those who have